When you know the way, walk it. Go there often. So there is this question that came into my life. I was searching for quotes and I ended up in this website. I think the name was messagesfrommasters.com. And then I look around at different masters there and different things, and I find the Ramana Maharshi, and I find this dialogue or like a Q&A with between him and his disciple. So his disciple is asking him questions, Ramana is answering. And this led me into the question, who am I? And to ask this, and in a way learning how to ask this while reading this dialogue. So I started asking, and I came into this practice with a very like non-serious but a sincere attitude. Like in a way, I was asking myself, who am I? And I was just watching, asking within, watching what the mind brings up, seeing it, and just seeing that it's not true. Understanding that and seeing that it's just a thought. And then discarding all the thoughts, because it's like, it's out of an intelligence, out of a recognition, not out of some systematic habit or some trained, like I've been trained to be like that. Or anyway, so I saw like how the mind tried to bring up answers, and soon enough, going around asking this for quite some time while I'm working in a garden in the retreat place, I feel my whole energy, like I'm breaking up with the girl. As soon as this question comes into my life, I find clarity, and I see that I'm not supposed to be in this relationship. Like I don't want to be here, and then I just leave, and no thought, no more thought about that. Just clear decision, clear insight, follow through, and everything changed, and my mind turned silent with this question. This question brought me back to my center, to my presence, to my clarity, that now I could start to see very differently. And there is freedom in that awareness that is touched, that is awakened with that question, with that coming back to one center, where I am. So this question, just asking, being silent, listening, waiting, a lot can happen. A lot can happen. And I came across this question about 15 years ago, 14 and a half actually. And it's been my favorite thing since then. I love Vipassana meditation as well. I love silent meditation. But I have seen myself going into this process in different ways, like both for myself. Sometimes it works very well, sometimes not. Depends on me, where I'm at, it seems like. And also we do it in groups. Like we do it in big groups in the meditation retreats. So after I stumbled upon this question, having practiced this with myself for a while, the next retreat that happened there, where I was having 1 week of this inquiry. So we were practicing about 2 times per day, I think sometimes 3. And we were sitting like, one session was about 2.5, 3 hours, another 1 hour, and then another 1 hour. And then carrying the question with oneself. during the whole week, going into sleep, waking up in the morning, waking up in the night. Like, this question is like the first thing. This to do in the group, to do with other people being present, doing exactly the same thing. It's such a help, such a support, that it goes so easy to go deep if one is willing. But for those who don't want to really face themselves and the lies that they hold on to, their false identifications, it's hard. It's very difficult. I could see this. Many people struggling with this question, hating this question. Me, I love this question. I'm like, I see myself in this group, someone asking me, and I'm just smiling. I'm just feeling that home. I'm just brought back home like in an instant. And it's like, I don't know. I can only speak for myself. I don't know how it is for others. But for me, this question has been something of the most precious. Like, yeah. And listening to Swaha, Osho, Papaji, Muji speak about this question and guiding with this self-enquiry, looking into the source, looking into from where does the thought arise? To whom does the thought arise? I. Who am I? I. What is this I? Who am I? Who am I? When you know the way, walk it, go there often, so it becomes easy and accessible, very easily accessible. I'm just gonna stop for a moment. I get very touched here. It's so good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If there's something you want me to talk more about, or something came up for you in this, watching this video, please drop a comment, and I see you in the comments, or I see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.